Xiamen Yizhou Import and Export Company Limited specializes in silicone rubber products, plastic products, mold design and sale. Our associated factory covers a floor area of 6,000 square meters. From R&D, production and assembly to customer service, they are able to carry out one-line standard manufacture. They have won remarkable remarks from all clients due to good technology, professional equipment, and complete management system. Our aim is to handle a wider range of products to meet any other customer's requirements. Yizhou is a supplier for many Amazon wholesales. Our products include plastic PET juice bottle, anti-snoring mouthpieces, sports mouthguard, teeth whitening tray, nose clip, slimming rings, silicone rubber cases, silicone rubber caps, rubber handles, silicone rubber bracelet, rubber gaskets, makeup silicone brush, rubber washers, rubber bumpers, nipples, rubber hose, silicone cake mold, rubber mats, remote controller keypad, rubber stoppers, rubber mats, plastic pellets, plastic caps, denture storage cases, ABS boards, plastic fillet board, plastic shells, and other related products. We can work with customers who have good ideas for new products or have existing products or designs for similar products existing in the marketplace. Provide us with your 2D or 3D drawings or samples, and we will develop the products for you. We can also assist in the design of products. We are looking forward to cooperation with overseas customers for mutual benefits. Please feel free to contact us for more details.